I'm going to show you how to build an app using artificial intelligence, completely, no programming, with a tool called Buzzy.buzz. Let's get started.
If you're into no-code tools, startup hacks, and AI magic, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because this is where your next big idea takes shape.
If you're a new user, you can actually go directly to Buzzy.buzz and just enter your prompt here. You don't need to create an account. You don't need to do anything. You just put in your email and it will create a Buzzy account and send you a link to the app. You don't have to sign up or anything. I, however, have a Buzzy account, so I'm going to do it the more structured way. I'm going to create a Buzzy app from scratch. First, we define the brief, same initial step. This is my brief. It's going to be an event planning app that lets people manage events. Then I'm going to go create the brief. It breaks it down to a series of technical specifications, so a description, a cute little name, Event Planner Pro, and then functions, user roles, and data requirements. This all goes into the back end of how the app actually processes data and functions. You don't need to really worry about it too much. All you need to do is make sure it looks like it makes sense for the kind of app that you were thinking. Then we get to check out the data model that it created automatically off of our brief. So for instance, what information do we need for events? What information do we need for users? Well, we need their name, we need their email, their photo, and their role. That seems like everything, but we can change this in a little bit. For now, this is what it's generated. Now we need to pick a base theme for the app. And you have these 4 selections. I would recommend just picking one of these 4, but you can actually use a Figma plugin to design the app ahead of time and then plug the functionality into it with Buzzy. But for now, we're just going to pick this dark theme. Then all we got to do is wait a little bit. It's estimating a 2 minutes wait time, but we'll be able to preview the app once it's done. So I'm just going to chill here and wait for it to finish. And boom, the app is ready to preview and edit. That actually only took like 40 seconds. So I could use my phone and I could actually scan that to preview the app on my device, but I just want to get into editing it. So let's click Edit App. And boom, it's going to display it right here with me. And over here on the right is the Buzzy AI Assistant. And I can actually use it to edit the app individually, not just on a large scale like regenerate the app, but I can go to here, Edit, right here, and I can say, click on this button. And then now that that button is highlighted, I can tell Buzzy what to do and how to edit specifically that button, not the whole app at large. But in general, let's check out what it created. Welcome to Event Planner Pro. I can get started and sign up. I can go over here and see a list of events. Right now, it's just one little event. It's a piece of data that it created. We have a description here, a location, a start date and end date, some information on the actual event itself, and a list of sessions. My goodness, this is detailed. But let's do a little bit of editing. Let's say I don't like this image back here. I'm going to click the image in the background, and I'm going to go tell Buzzy to change that. I'm going to say change the landing screen header image to a scene from a conference. Let's see how it does. Excellent. It fixed that image. I actually like what it picked. And then if I want, again, I can go and I can click anything that I want and individually edit it, or I can just talk to the AI and edit the app at large. But that is pretty much the basics. It's pretty simple to build something, and it's even simpler to edit it. So if you know how to talk to an AI, you now know how to build an app if you use Buzzy. Go check it out.